Hey, Sunny with WTI. And are you a waffle lover like me? Well, you have to pick up this classic waffle maker by Cuisinart. This makes the perfect waffles every time. Let me show you how. Okay, so when you first turn it on, your waffle maker has a red light that will turn green, indicating that it's ready to go. So now you pour in your waffle mix, and when you close the lid, your light will turn red, then green when it's all ready to go. When you open it up, you have the perfect waffle. And you see where I even spilled a little bit on the side? Watch this. It comes off so easy. Now you have your perfect waffle with absolutely no cleanup. Okay, so the waffle maker really is that easy to use. So pick up this classic waffle maker by Cuisinart. You and your family are gonna enjoy it just like mine. But that's just my point of view.